This video app review is brought to you by the iPhoneAppReview.com.
Hey everyone, Sarah Hanlon here with the iPhoneAppReview.com, and today we're taking a look at Mental Note, which is a really useful app for iPhone. Basically what it allows you to do is create voice-dictated notes on your device. It can be downloaded from the App Store for only 99 cents, and what I'm going to do is really quick, I'm going to show you how it works. So what we're looking at here is the main screen of Mental Note. This is where the magic happens, essentially. Basically what the app does is it allows you to use voice dictation to create notes. And you can see down here, you can save notes as to do, an idea, or just as a regular note. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a test note by pressing the green record button.
Listening.
This is a test note.
Done listening.
Okay, and you can see almost instantaneously the app says this is a test note. So it takes your voice and it dictates it into text. Now, as far as what we can do with our note, we're going to save it as a note. And this is really the only thing that requires typing, is giving our note a name. So we'll say call it test 6. And once we've saved our note, we can access it. Down here in the bottom, you'll see a list of all the notes you've saved within the app. And you can also save ideas. And lastly, you can save notes as to-dos. And what's kind of handy is there is a toggle switch up here where you can say whether or not you've completed your to-do. See if we can tap it. There we go. So you have to toggle it within the note itself, and here it says the note's done. Also, another handy thing you can do with your notes is you can share them with pretty much anybody. You can see the major networks. You can share via email, Twitter, or through a text message. Also, when you're creating a note, we've got it here. If you need to add extra text, all you have to do is tap the inside of the speech bubble, and you can add anything that you might need, smiley faces. Also, as I mentioned before, there's another way to share your note here, right as you're typing it. So we'll say done editing. As far as overall thoughts on Mental Note, it's an excellent app to download if you have an older iDevice like an iPhone 4 or another device that doesn't have Siri built in. It is also a great way to quickly keep track of to-do notes, random notes, anything like that. It has quite a few good features, excellent layout, and it does use essentially the world's leading software for voice dictation, so it is pretty accurate. As I mentioned before, it's available to download from the App Store for 99 cents. There's also a light version available if you'd like to try it without forking over any pennies, just to make sure that the app is right for you. This has been Sarah Hanlon with the iPhoneAppReview.com, taking a look at Mental Note for iPhone. Till next time.